So this is the artificial palm tree, a 2-pack. This one is built, this one is not. So real bark, style trunks, and the layered leaves, okay? Comes with all the leaves. So 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 leaves, all right. So this starts from this. So what I did is I played with this for quite a while. So I configured it this way. I turned it before I started building it. I put the shortest stalk in the front on the left, and then the tallest on the right, okay? And then I just started taking these and putting them in the slots. Once they were all in, then I started fluffing the leaves to the manner in which I liked them. I bent these a little bit just to make it what was appealing visually to me. I really liked that they look styled. The leaves are just beautiful. They do look styled, not flat, not plasticky, okay? Zero maintenance. I'm going to throw this on my porch in my flower pot, and I'm going to be good to go. This is going to look great on the first day, as it will on the 30th or the 300th day. But again, these are adjustable branches. I bent them. I fluffed them, okay? If you want greenery that behaves itself and doesn't need sunlight, attention, or therapy, this is a really good pick. You just have to be mindful of the way you're setting up the base and the way you're putting in the leaves. And once the leaves are in, just fluff them, bend them in a way that you do like. But this is the way that I found the base to be most visually appealing for me. But if you're decorating office, a living room, or your porch, where I'm going to put this is instant polish with no commitment. This 2-pack earns a top spot. It is quietly beautiful. It is confidently easy to build. And hey, this thing won't die on me. Highly, highly recommend.